Hello, good afternoon. My name is Abdurrahman Usman. Abdurrahman Usman Nombo. I will use this opportunity to thank all my followers, people that like my page, people that comment, share my page. Say God bless you all. And I want to use this opportunity to start a journey with you. If you have someone that is interested in the heavy duty mechanic trade or the heavy duty engineering, motor vehicle technology, hydraulics, electricals, just refer them to this page. I'm going to take you through what we call the operations of the machine, service and maintenance. I'm going to break up the systems into individual parts, explain to you how each and every component work, how the systems combine to work to produce power. When we talk of heavy duty machines, or let's say earth moving equipment, we have lots and lots and lots of them. I'm going to talk about a few of them because irrespective of whichever heavy duty equipment or earth moving equipment you are talking of, it makes the use of some principles that is employed or mostly employed in most of these machines. When we talk of a motor grader, a dozer, which we call bulldozer, a scraper, an excavator, a drill rig, they have a lot of things in common because these principles are what is used to make the systems of this machine work. When we talk of a grader, what is used for, the systems that make up a complete grader from mechanics, electricals, and hydraulics. Yes, when we talk of hydraulics, most of these machines employ electronics to make them work, to make them function. So we are going to talk a bit about mechanics, we are going to talk a bit about hydraulics, we are going to talk a bit about electricals and electronics. We will be talking about electrohydraulics. We'll be talking about details into mechanics, details into hydraulics. In fact, it's going to be a long journey. So you can refer this page to whoever may want to or is curious about earth moving machines. I am more conversant in the area of heavy duty equipment, and I'm here to explain to you how these machines work, what these machines are made of, what systems make up this machine, and I'm going to take you through each and every system one after the other until I break it down in such a way that you understand it as if you have been in the class or you have been trained. Remember, these videos, I'm making these videos for the purposes of training, and we will bring in materials that will be coming from elsewhere, but I will say I will have to take you through. If you have any problems, if you have any questions, if some of the explanations you don't get them right, you can leave a comment. I will come back and then respond to each and every one. If you need any further clarification, don't hesitate to leave a comment, and then I will be there to respond to your comments. I will say, when you look at these machines, let's say motor graders, excavators, dozers, scrapers, drills, they all use hydraulics. They all use, most of them use pneumatics. Some use extensive hydraulics. Some use hydraulics pneumatics, and let's start with this motor vehicles. Let's look at the systems that make up the small motor vehicles, so we can appreciate how the heavy equipment or earth moving equipment have been made. They are so solid and they've made work easier and easier for us. And earlier models have employed simple electricals or simple hydraulics and mechanics. Now, as technology advances, we could see smaller machines but with higher force. You could see engines that are smaller but they give out high horsepower. Before we have these dozers, we have the D6, D7, D5, D8, D9, D10. When you look at the engine, before the engines are so huge, now they have been reduced because of advance in technology. A D8 engine has been reduced, the size is reduced, but yet the output is augmented. Let's take an example, the D9, which before was using a 3408 cylinder engine. Now it's using a C15 or C18 engine. So it's using a C18 engine, which is an inline six cylinders instead of 8 cylinders. Now it's got more space. It uses a lot of electronics, so it makes diagnosis or troubleshooting of this machine much easier because we've got